You have the evidence, go ahead and file the case. Wala akong problema. I can rot in prison for my country. Yan ang magiging. I am not a Filipino for nothing. Baski ganito lang kami kapobre, o wag do not with our dignity. Sabihin nila, si Duterte is not a statesman. He behaves like a hoodlum. Tama ka. Ulol ka pala eh. Ngayon mo lang nalaman? Oh, ganito, ganon. Eh, hindi na bali. Basta, and this is really for all of you Filipinos and for the entire world. Baski anong bagay magka-diferensya, wag lang basta bayan na ang pag-usapan. Tangina, hindi talaga tayo magkaibigan.